Hello, Professor Liew. This is Kina Thomas, and this is my submission for homework week 2. Exercise 4.1 asks for the beta, alpha, and cost of capital calculation for Liew pension fund. The first step is to determine the risk premium for both the company and the market, and this is done by subtracting the risk-free rate from the investment return. The same for the market. And then from there you can use Excel to determine the beta, which is the slope formula, and the alpha is the intercept formula, again from the risk premium, and then the cost of capital, which is the CAPM, which can now be used, now that we know the beta, using the CAPM formula. 4.2, I believe the answer is false, because a venture capital investment portfolio is diversified amongst multiple investment projects, and so the cost of capital shouldn't vary between early stage and late stage funding. 6.1, I believe the answer is false, because typically countries that have an active public market and active IPOs will also have very high VC activity. Normally the environment that has heavy IPO activity also makes it a lot more attractive to venture capitalists. And then lastly, 6.2, I selected uncertain. Normally English-speaking countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, so on and so forth, have common law-based legal systems which you would think give you more protection for minority investors. However, indices typically measure whether or not the laws are on the books, not whether or not they're enforced. So even though you would expect a common law-based legal system to have more protections, that's not necessarily true.